Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Cardano, and we're going to update you all on our current price prediction, which you guys can see before you. We're looking for the market in Cardano to go higher in price. It's been doing that ever since we created the price prediction on April the 10th. Here it is by the end of the month, and the market currently in ADA is hitting maybe at 71 cents. So let's go ahead and break this down. But before I do, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button to this particular channel, because this is what we do here. For the most part, we come through and try to give you a different perspective of how to view the market and actually predict where prices are going to go. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. You guys can see though, right here on this day, we actually see how the market in ADA almost tagged our ultimate TP price, right? Were you able to grab that at the high? Because if so, that's around 20% went right there. If not, get out of the market right now in ADA, 14.5%. Either way it go, you're still up. That's what we do here. We try to ensure that we follow the market here in ADA so that we may continue to profit as price moves. So let's go ahead and get rid of this sell pocket right here, first of all. And this pocket right here is still showing itself as an issue or a problem for ADA, or the buyers for ADA right here. Okay, so we're going to keep that there. Now let's look at the market ADA on the monthly chart so far. You can see for the month that I can't say that we are, dramatically bullish here in the market for ADA, because of the last couple of months we've seen sellers really become active, specifically December, January, and then again in March. So this month it's a very positive month for us to see that, well, maybe the selling has been waning, it's been decreasing, and we might actually see ADA begin to trade within a trading channel or consolidate from left to right. Here it is on the 5-weekly chart. Okay, let's look at ADA here on the 3 weeks. Pretty much the same thing here. I don't see anything detrimental to the price action in ADA right now to substantiate that this market's going to crash. But however, I don't see it to the point where I'm looking for the market to explode or rip higher. So if anything, we may continue to inch higher in price, but I wouldn't expect to see like a breakout to occur. Okay, so here it is on the weekly chart. Take a look at ADA on the 5-day. Here it is on the 4. Here's ADA on the 3. Real quick, ADA on the 2. And currently on the daily. So we need to see these buyers, the ones that really try to support ADA here, they need to do it again, and then ultimately break that market through that sell pocket. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for, because the selling has increased into the market in ADA right here. You can tell that by where the price bars are closing on the daily time frame. Each of these price bars are closing off of the highs. They're closing lower at the conclusion of the day. So we definitely need to be cautious and careful to see if these buyers are going to continue to support price, because if so, then I'm going to look for the market to go up. So let's go ahead and do this here. We're going to create this buy pocket. Okay, that's on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on a 330-minute chart. We can identify right here though is where sellers are. They're the ones that's not letting the market in ADA continue to go up. And let's see if we can do another pocket of buying. Okay, so currently I'm aiming for the price in ADA to continue to go up. That's my current idea, is for the market in ADA to go higher. We're going to target this first sell pocket though. Okay, so we're not going to be too amped to look for the market ADA to break out. So if it just comes back here to the low of this sell pocket, that gives us 5.75% move. That's great. We'll take that. The high of this sell pocket will give us almost 9%. We'll take that too. Then our third target will be all the way up there around 82 cents, which is around 15.62% profit right there. So that's it. I'm done. Let's see how strong, how motivated these buyers are in ADA, because if they are, this near sell pocket won't be a problem. But as it is right now, it is a problem. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.